We grow up being taught how to do things the right way. We're taught to go to school, get good grades, have a career, and to work hard. Now that you're done with school and you're starting to work, you're receiving your paychecks. You could have been working for 3 or 10 years by now, but your finances aren't reflecting the same progress as your career. This is a problem. Have you stopped to think to yourself, why is it that I'm working hard but I'm struggling with my finances? The answer to this question is really simple. It's because managing personal finances isn't taught in school and it's really taught at home too. Managing your finances is no easy task, especially given the state of the world we're living in, which is why we need to give the utmost care to our finances to avoid getting into any financial mess. By the end of this video, you will know how to build your wealth, so stick around to the end of the video. This is Legacy Wisdom Academy, where we talk all about personal development and finance. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell to be up to date on more videos here on Legacy Wisdom Academy. First off, what is personal financial management? This encompasses all aspects of managing your money. It includes lots of things such as budgeting, investing, saving, banking, tax, retirement, and a lot more. What is the purpose of learning how to manage your finances? This is for you to achieve your financial goals, whether these are short, mid, or long term. Learning about this is important. First, saving money. It's important for you to have savings for emergencies and other expenses. Second, security. What if you lose your job? Knock on wood, but what if an unexpected expense comes up? Are you able to sustain yourself despite these financial challenges being thrown your way? Third, investment opportunities. Regardless of how much money you're earning now, your needs will increase, and if it isn't your needs that will increase, then the value of your needs will increase over time, so knowing how and where to invest is necessary for you to meet your growing needs. Fourth, better living standard. Are you happy with the way you're living life right now? Are you living comfortably? I'm pretty sure everyone dreams to have a better living standard. Everyone wants a roof over their heads or a better home. You want to be able to go on vacation with your family or visit your relatives in a different place. This can only happen if you manage your finances effectively. Fifth, better financial IQ. The more you learn about personal financial management, the more knowledgeable you'll be in finances overall. The more you learn, the better financial decisions you'll be able to make. Have you heard about personal financial management? What do you know about personal financial management? Share it with us in the comments below. Now you might be wondering, where should I get started? How should I start managing my finances? I got you covered, so stick around to the end of the video because I'll be sharing with you the strategies you'll need to effectively manage your finances. First, plan and budget. It's easy to spend money. $1 million is a lot of money, but it could be spent in a snap of a finger. Making a purchase nowadays is so easy. It's as easy as a few taps of your finger on your phone. So if you want to make the most out of your hard-earned money, then you need to plan and budget. You want to avoid buying things you don't need. These unnecessary purchases will accumulate and make a dent to your savings. You can do this by mapping out and allocating money for your daily expenses and your long-term financial goals, whether these are big purchases or investments. There's no particular way you should budget your money, so you're going to have to figure out the method or strategy that works best for you. Second, the right bank accounts. You can set up your own checking, saving, and investment bank accounts. These accounts will help you achieve your financial goals. Your checking account is where you should put your money that you'll use for your regular purchases. It's best you don't put your savings in your checking account to not get it all mixed up. This is to avoid you spending your savings and using it for unplanned purchases. As for your investment account, you should put your money into this regularly. Third, Emergency fund. An emergency fund is not an option but a need. You need an emergency fund because if it's anything we've learned from life, life never fails to surprise us, and sometimes these surprises are unexpected expenses. If you aren't prepared, then you're setting yourself up for failure. You need to stay prepared and put in money that could last you at least 6 months into your emergency fund. Fourth, keep track of your finances. Keep track of all your purchases, keep receipts, and note them all down. It will feel like an inconvenience if this is something new to you, but you'll eventually develop the habit and it will become second nature. Fifth, pay off debts. Start off with the biggest ones and work towards paying everything else. Keep watching because I'll be sharing some tips on how to pay off your debts quicker. First, get a side hustle for extra income. Second, take up a second job. Third, sell personal items you don't need. We have lots of items in our possession that we don't really need. For them to be of use to us, we could sell these instead for extra cash. Fourth, cut back on expenses. Whether this be your expensive morning coffees, you could make your own coffee at home instead. Number 6, use your credit cards wisely. It's easy to get into credit card debt, so make sure to pay all your balances every month to avoid interest. If possible, it's best to avoid credit card debt entirely if you're liquid enough. And lastly, pay attention to your credit score. A good credit score will come in useful when you apply for loans like mortgages, and this could save you thousands of dollars. That is it for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We post videos every week, so stay notified. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.